Many people are chasing crowded YouTube niches, but some smart creators are making thousands of dollars every month from niches that most people are still ignoring. One of the best hidden opportunities right now is the Crime POV animation niche. Take this YouTube channel, for example. With only 27 videos, they have grown to over 248,000 subscribers, and most of their videos get hundreds of thousands of views, with many reaching millions. Their recent video from just a few days ago is already close to 1 million views, and channels like this are making over $40,000 every month from this kind of content. Another strong example is this channel. They started only 3 months ago, posted just 11 videos, and already have over 9 million total views. Their first 2 videos alone got 2 million and 5 million views, which clearly shows how fast this niche can grow. These channels create what it feels like to be videos, like being a mafia boss, a cartel leader, or someone living inside a dangerous crime world. The viewer feels like they are inside the story, and that is what makes people keep watching. The simple stick figure animations also make the content easier and faster to create. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create this kind of content, from finding good topics, writing the script, creating the visuals, editing the video, and making clickable thumbnails. I'll also show you the tool that makes the whole process fast and easy, even for beginners. Here's a video I created using the same method and tool, so you can see the kind of result you can get.
The door locks behind you. Your father's chair's still warm, but he's already in the ground. 12 men watch in silence as a gold watch, a ledger, and a pistol slide across the table. You take the watch first. By Friday, you're collecting envelopes from a nightclub on 14th Street, smiling through the fear, learning who pays late and who disappears. A month later, they trust you with the dock routes, the judges, the cash counted in freezer rooms at 3 a.m. You start deciding. One order burns a warehouse. Another buries a cousin. The money gets cleaner. Your hands.
So watch till the end because every step matters if you want to make this work. Step 1. Topic and script generation. The first step in creating an engaging crime POV animation video is coming up with a strong story idea. This includes choosing the right topic and generating the full script. To make this easy, I have already provided a detailed prompt in the resource document, which I have attached in the description of this video. Inside that document, you'll find 5 different prompts: the topic generation prompt, script development prompt, main character prompt, scene or image generation prompt, and finally the thumbnail prompt. These prompts will guide your entire creation process. All you need to do is copy each prompt and paste it into your preferred AI chatbot. For this process, I'll be using a powerful tool called Hicks AI. Hicks AI is an all-in-one AI workspace built to solve one major problem: having to jump between many different tools just to complete one project. Instead of using separate platforms for writing, image creation, video generation, research, and slides, Hicks AI brings everything together in one place. It gives you access to powerful features like AI chat, AI video, AI image, AI document, AI slides, and deep research all inside one workspace. The AI chat section includes top models like ChatGPT, Claude AI, DeepSeek, and Grok. So anything you normally use those tools for, like writing scripts, generating ideas, research, and brainstorming, you can do it directly inside Hicks AI without opening multiple websites. I've added the link to Hicks AI in the video description, so click it to register. Once you sign up, you'll see a simple and clean workspace with a prompt box at the top and different AI agents below it. To generate our topic, click on AI chat and choose from the available models. For this example, I'll be using GPT 5.5 inside OpenAI. Next, go to the resource document, copy the topic generation prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. Then choose how many ideas you want. For this example, I'll go with 25 topic ideas. Click send, and it will generate a list of strong video ideas that fit this niche. From there, simply choose the one you like most. For this video, I'll be using the real story of the heir who inherited a criminal kingdom. Script generation. Once you have selected your topic, the next step is to generate the full script. Go back to the resource document and copy the script generation prompt. Paste it into the prompt box inside AI chat. Then replace the topic section with your chosen idea. For this example, we'll use the real story of the heir who inherited a criminal kingdom. The prompt is already set to generate a 40 to 60 second story script, which works perfectly for this type of video. But if you want a longer or shorter video, you can easily adjust the duration inside the prompt before sending it. Once you click send, Hicks AI will generate the full script based on your topic and selected length. It will create the full storytelling structure for you, making the process fast and simple. And just like that, Your story script is ready, and we can move on to the next. Step 2. Generating the images. Now that the script is ready, the next step is to create the visuals. The first thing you need is your main character, because this character will appear throughout the video and help keep the story visually consistent from beginning to end. I have already included a main character prompt in the resource document based on the same style used by the reference channel. Copy that prompt and go to Hicks AI, then click on AI image and paste it into the prompt box. Next, choose your image model. Hicks AI gives you access to powerful models like Google Models, Midjourney, Seedream, and more. For this example, I'll use GPT Image 2.0. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9. Choose your resolution. I'll leave mine at 2K and set the output number to 2, so you have different options to choose from, then click Generate. In a few seconds, Hicks AI will create your main character. That is exactly what we want. One good thing about Hicks AI is that you can also edit the image easily. You can change the background, remove the background, erase unwanted objects, uncrop, and even upscale the image. But for this example, the result looks perfect, so I'll go ahead and download it. Now we have our reference character image for the rest of the scenes. The next step is to create the visuals for each part of the script. Copy the image prompt framework from the resource document and paste it into Hicks AI chat. Replace the placeholder text with your actual script lines, and Hicks AI will generate a detailed image prompt for that scene. Copy that prompt, go back to AI image, paste it into the prompt box, and upload the main character image you created earlier as your reference. Keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, choose your output number, and click Generate. This will create your first scene with your main character already matched into it. Using the main character as a reference helps keep the face, look, and style consistent across all the scenes. From there, simply repeat the same process for the rest of the script, and in a short time, all your visuals will be ready for the next step. Step 3. Turning your image scenes into video clips. If you're finding value in this tutorial, take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more videos like this. Now that all your images are ready, the next step is to turn them into short video clips. Go to the Hicks AI homepage and click on AI video, then upload your first scene image. After that, go back to AI chat and ask it to generate an image to video prompt for each scene. Once the prompt is ready, copy the one that matches the image you uploaded and paste it into the prompt box inside AI video. Then choose your video model. Hicks AI gives you access to strong video models like Google's VEO, OpenAI's Sora, Seedance, Hailu, Vidu, and more. For this example, I'll use Seedance 2.0 because it gives very good cinematic results. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9, resolution to 720p, and video length to 5 seconds. Leave the output number at 1, then click Generate. In a few moments, Hicks AI will turn your still image into a short video clip. Review the result, download it, and repeat the same process for the rest of your scene images until all your clips are ready for the final editing stage. Step 4. Generating the voiceover. The next step is to create the voiceover for your story. For this, I'll be using 11 Labs because it creates smooth, natural-sounding voices that are perfect for this type of video and make the final result sound much more professional. Use the link in the video description to visit 11 Labs, then go to the text-to-speech section. Here, you'll find many voice options to choose from: male, female, deep, soft, and calm, dramatic, and more. Pick the voice that best matches the mood and style of your video, and then go back to AI chat, copy your full story script, and paste it into the text box on the 11 Labs page. After that, select the voice you want to use and adjust the settings if needed. Once everything looks good, click Generate. And in a few seconds, 11 Labs will create a studio quality voiceover for your video. listen to it carefully, and if you're happy with the result, click download. And that's it. You now have a clean, professional voiceover that adds more quality and polish to your final video. Step 5. Final editing and thumbnail. Now it's time to bring everything together and create the final video. For the editing stage, open CapCut. I've added the link in the video description. Import all your video clips and the voiceover you created. Start by placing the voiceover on the timeline first, then arrange your video clips to match each part of the narration. This niche does not need heavy editing, so keep it simple. Use clean cuts, smooth transitions, and trim any scene that feels too long so the video stays engaging and easy to watch. Once everything looks good, export the video in the highest quality possible. Next is the thumbnail, because a strong thumbnail can make a huge difference in getting clicks. Go back to the resource document and copy the thumbnail prompt. Paste it into Hicks AI chat. Replace the placeholder with your video topic and click send. In a few seconds, Hicks AI will generate a detailed thumbnail prompt for you. Now move to Hicks AI image, paste the thumbnail prompt into the prompt box, keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, choose your preferred image model, and click generate. In no time, your thumbnail will be ready. As you can see, the result clearly tells the story of the video, which is exactly what you want for high click-through rates. And just like that, in just a short time, we have created a complete immersive crime POV video. From the idea, to the script, to the images, video animation, voiceover, and even the thumbnail. This is exactly why I like using Hicks AI for this workflow. It helped us through almost every stage of the process and made everything faster, easier, and more beginner-friendly. Instead of jumping between many different tools, Hicks AI gives you AI chat, AI image, AI video, AI document, AI slides, and deep research all in one place. That means less stress, faster creation, and better results. Hicks AI is the most impressive AI agent platform I've tested in 2026. It replaces 10+ separate tools, saves hours of work, and is easy to use for creators, professionals, and everyday users alike. If you're serious about starting this kind of channel, this is the perfect time to begin. The official Hicks AI link is at the top of the video description and also in the first pinned comment. Click the link, register, and try it for free. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one.